Hey, yo, what's going on, Ride Nation? Today we gonna take a trip over to Rolling Smokes BBQ shop. I heard they got some good eats over there. Y'all ready? Grab your helmet. Come and ride with your boy. baby.
All right, we made it over here to Rolling Smokes BBQ. About to go up in here and see what this barbecue is like. All right, holla at your boy. Peace. All right, we are on the inside of Rolling Smokes BBQ, and it's a really nice vibe in here. Look at it. I came in, all the tables were clean, wiped down already. Everybody's in here eating and chilling. They got AC, it feels really, really good after getting off that bike. Okay, the young ladies at the register were very nice, very professional. Definitely recommend coming back here. I haven't even got my food yet, and I'm giving them a 10 out of 10, all right? But just so you know, I got the nacho fries. It's got pulled pork with waffle fries. Oh, I'm about to eat good. I can't wait to see what the family think when I bring them back here. All right, it's time to eat. Holla at your boy. Oh, look at there. These are the nacho fries with pulled pork, cheese, green pepper, sour cream. Oh, it's about to go down. I'm gonna have to turn the camera off because I don't want y'all to see what I'm about to do to this plate right here. All right, Rolling Smoke BBQ. We got the nacho fries with pulled pork. Holla at your boy. Yo, all right, so we just polished off the pulled pork waffle nacho fries, and it was bomb. Cheese was good, the pulled pork was good, the sauce they put on it, good. So I got all good reviews. I definitely would give them a 10 out of 10. So if you're ever in the Avondale, Phoenix, Arizona area and you're looking for some good barbecue, I would definitely advise or suggest you come to Rolling Smokes BBQ. All right, food's good, customer service is good, and they got the blue raspberry Kool-Aid. You know it's good. All right, so again, Rolling Smokes BBQ, 10 out of 10 for me. Holla at your boy. Peace.